Black vultures often rise later in the morning than the turkey vulture and may actually follow that species because of this. During the day, black vultures soar in flocks, often with turkey vultures and hawks. Their flight style is distinctive, with overall strong wing beats followed by short glides, giving them a bat-like appearance. You can find them along highway margins, eating roadkill, as well as picking through dumpsters. They roost in groups in trees and transmission towers, typically waiting through the early morning for the air to warm